Just kidding. You normies disgust me. I hate Pepe the Frog. Peep, whatever his name is. Peep, Pepe. Either way, he's stupid. And I don't really know why I made my face green to prove the point that I hate Pepe. But let me prove it by saying I hate you, Pepe. I hate you and your stupid me and your stupid normie fan base.
LOL!
You're all just dumb. I hate the golden Pepe. I hate it all. I'm allergic to it. So, either you quit being a stupid darn old meme, whatever, or else I'm gonna chop your head off. Your little froggy head off like this, like that, and you're going down under with minions. Yeah, I said it.